When is the best time to enter a reversal trade? Piggybacking off our last video, Friday's first trade played out beautifully. The short or the puts played out really good, and Eric teaches to always watch your six. You always got to watch your back and prepare for how the other side can sack you. So after the first trade, Eric drew up the next setup, potential bullish setup at 10:43 a.m. He mentions there's lots of liquidity in this pink algorithm. I'll blow up that image and you could see price building liquidity in that pink algorithm. Here's the bullish scenario to look out for. Price at the bottom would have to breach the teal algorithm first, then enter into the pink algorithm and above the 5-day moving average before considering longs. If we go back to the charts, you could see 1042 is right there. That's where he made that annotation. And I will move the charts so you could see the bulls did indeed step in. The question is, when do you take your trade for the reversal? I'm going to highlight this zone right here. This blue algorithm that's running down right here, that is a bearish precision algorithm that's running down. You don't want to take your trade, your reversal trade, you don't want to take it anywhere inside of that. If you take a long or a call anywhere inside of that, you're just becoming liquidity for the bears to continue down. At the very least, if you're an aggressive trader, at the very least, you would want to wait until price breached that blue selling algorithm before you would consider taking a long. You also will notice the teal selling algorithm. That could be your second confirmation. So an aggressive trader may try to take the reversal out of the blue. A more conservative play would be to take your long outside of the teal. Even more conservative, you could wait until price breached the pink algorithm and you could take an entry from there. So it all depends on your personality, your trading personality. Every trader has a personality. Some are aggressive, some are conservative, and some need more confirmation. It's important to know which trading personality you have.